All right, let's do a Live Good review. All right, it's going into the second week of December 2024. All right, we're hauling buns, guys. In a few weeks, 2025. And guess what? In a couple days, Live Good turns 2. December, let's see, 13th of 2022, Live Good gave birth. That right, it came out of Mama. Mama just said, let's just have ourselves a little baby boy named Live Goody. Okay, so he just sprouted out, or maybe it was a little baby girl. I can't tell. There's no Wang Chung. I couldn't see. I'd have to take the diaper off. But anyway, Live Good, only 2 years old. All right, and boy, what a ride. I joined around March to April of 2023, so Live Good had about 4 months underneath its belt when I decided to buy the products, and then I became an affiliate. Okay, prices are still the same. $40 one time just to activate your affiliate membership little thing. Boom. Okay, put a little sticker on your chest. You are now an affiliate. And to maintain that status, you just got to be a member. Members only $9.95, $10 a month. Okay, so if you just want to buy the products, you can go to livegood.com, just like walmart.com, amazon.com. You don't need to be a member or an affiliate to buy the products. Okay, but if you want to get wholesale pricing, you got to be a member. Okay, stick with me, $10 a month. And then that one-time $40 fee, you can earn money like I do. Now, back April of 2023, my goal was make 50 to $100 a month. That way I can spend all that money on products. So in my mind, I'm like super red, super greens, protein powder, maybe get some other this, a little bit of that, maybe a Live Good hat, wham, bam, free products. Well, I started just doing videos, doing email, messing around. And before you know it, I have 50 people signed up, 100, 200, 300. Guys, I'm going on almost 400 people just signed up directly underneath me. That don't include the people that have signed up underneath. Could be you and people that have decided to join my team, my group, my little tribe, and make this fun, okay? In 2 years, we got about 1.6, going on 1.7 members and affiliates. We do about 15 million bucks a month in sales, and they're mostly wholesale, which is mind-blowing. A couple hundred countries, all right, distribution centers going up all over the place. So if you live in Africa, or let's just say in the UK, maybe over in Australia, it's nice if the products start there because you're going to get the products cheaper and faster. Live Good is in Jupiter, Florida. Ben Glinsky, our CEO, he loves it there. And I don't blame him. Jupiter is a darn nice place to live. Right? We have distribution centers there. Okay. We use the United States Post Office for shipping. There's no profit on shipping. Whatever it costs the post office to send it with tracking, that's your cost. If you're outside of America, it's DHL International. Okay. With tracking, of course. So you can tell hopefully exactly when you're going to get your products. Now, when the distribution centers are closer into wherever you live, China, we're building there, of course. We're doing really well in Philippines, anywhere in Asia. Outstanding. Africa, too. But like I said, Australia, New Zealand, New Guinea. We do well up in Canada, down below in Mexico. All right. And of course, the UK. Everywhere is just kicking butt with Live Good because the products are amazing. Not just because you got to say it. Everyone says our products are amazing. Our proof is go and see the exact ingredients. Okay. And I'll show you where. You can see the exact price, the exact shipping amount. There's nothing to hide with Live Good. We are a membership-based website. We are not here to retail products to you. We want you to get the products for cheap to resell in your store. You can go to walmart.com, search Live Good, just type in Live Good, one word. You can buy Live Good products through Walmart, but you're going to have to pay retail. Why not spend $9.95 a month and get wholesale? Okay, $49.95. That's all it costs to be an affiliate, guys. Or if you want to join for the year, you get 12 months for the price of 10. So $40 plus $99.95. $40 is only one time. Just spend those two $20 bills and forget about it. You now have like a little tattoo. It's a permanent affiliate. That's a good thing to have in Live Good, okay? And then $9.95 a month. Or if you have $100, why don't you just go ahead and get 12 months for the price of 10 and you're done. Let's get you emailing, make some business cards, I want to show you what I do. I'm number 27 in the company. By 2025, I'm going to be top 10 out of 1.7 to 2 million people. Okay. I'm really good at recruiting right now. I have little systems, little techniques that I do to get people to join up. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see today is, oh God, I got to look at my clock. Okay. It just turned midnight and I refreshed my screen and I wanted you to see that it's December 2024, Tuesday. And I don't know if you can see the very bottom of my screen, but it says 11:59. Okay. It is almost midnight here in the great state of Utah. I'm Mountain Time. But you can see that LiveGood, they reset their clocks 11 o'clock my time. Okay. So I've had 1 hour in to December, Tuesday, okay, of 2024. And you can see that I've already had one person pre-enroll, and I've already had one person just in the last 30 minutes go ahead and say, I'm joining LiveGood. So you can see I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've had 8 people sign up in like the last 10 days. Okay. You can really do well in LiveGood if you can average the amounts that I'm totaling right here. See pre-enroll? All that is people that they go to joincory.com. If you see on my screen, do you see these 2 business cards that I made? Okay. Joincory.com goes directly to a capture page, which I'll show you. So if you have $49.95, you get your own website, a page where people put in their name and email address if they want to join, or if they want to get more information about LiveGood, and just sit on the fence for a month. I have people that look into LiveGood for months, and they join like 2 or 3 months later. There's no rush, but I'll tell you, in the wintertime here in America, people aren't outside as much, and we have the holidays. It's Christmas here in a week or two. What do you do Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Eve? You eat, you drink beer. All right, there's fattening stuffing and cookies and pie, and man, people, they tend to gain weight. I do. LiveGood is completely based around nutrition, fitness, losing weight, maintaining your blood pressure. If you have diabetes, all right, just making you look and feel good. All right. So gosh, I'll tell you what, LiveGood is it's a no-brainer, especially in the wintertime when most people, they like to get involved with an online business because they spend all their money on, unfortunately, Christmas. Christmas is expensive. Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, holiday. Let's just say the holidays. Okay. So right now, let me just put my Join Cory right here. You can see I average about 200, 400, 300, 394. You can see a couple days ago, I had 417 individual clicks on my website. I had 286. Okay. And I had 4 people pre-enroll, 1 person. And then you can see just about 30 minutes ago, I've only had 6 clicks. And 1 person just said, I want to pre-enroll. And then they said, heck with it. I'm just going to go ahead and sign up. Okay. So you just got to ask yourself, do you want an online business for real? Because if you do, I honestly don't know of a better opportunity. Otherwise, I'd do it. Guys, I'm not shy. I'm really good at making video. I make an insane amount, almost 4,000 videos. I'm going to make 5,000 just in 2025. All about LiveGood and the opportunities that I use, the systems, techniques, software to get me not only money in my pockets, but to get people to look into LiveGood. LiveGood is the HQ. It's the bat cave. I need people to get to LiveGood. Where's my hat? Here it is. All right. Watch. There. Did I Photoshop? Does it look like I switched hats? I did. Okay. Yes, LiveGood has hats and jerseys and little beanie caps and everything else. Okay. But I'll tell you what, and this is my opinion, guys. I'm a storyteller. I don't think you're going to find a better opportunity. I don't. It's affordable. $10 a month, $40, one and done. The products are great. And if you don't like them, you got 90 days, 3 months to get your money back. Awesome. Even if you want to just be a poop head, buy CBD oil, unscrew the damn thing, pour all the CBD oil out into a Tupperware bowl, and send the empty bottle back and get a full refund. 90 days. No questions asked. That's a guarantee that we offer. Whew. It's pretty damn good, isn't it? All right. And our CBD oil, look into it. $7.50. This thing's like barely over $10. Our 1,500 milligram is like, I think it's only like 19 or so. I can't remember the price. It's so cheap. Do you want to see how you look into it? Okay, well, let me shrink myself up. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the business cards. Look, go to the products. Go to joincory.com, fill in your name and email address, and it'll automatically take you to this website. All right, well, let's say I want to look up CBD oil. Look, we have it chicken flavored for pets and natural flavored and spearmint for us folks called humans. But look at our prices, guys. You're going to freak out. See? All the ingredients. You can see the seals of approval, how to use it. Look at that, $14.95 for the $750. Now, look, if I go ahead and click the $1,500 for $24, guys, that's it. You know, in stores, they sell this for $75 to $90. Ours is organic even. Okay, you're not going to beat our CBD oil. Guys, we supply this to stores to sell. We are a wholesale-based company based on membership at $10 a month. Okay, so anyway, please do me a favor. Go to joincory.com, and I want you to look at the products tab. I want you to look at the FAQ tab, because all these questions here, boom, they're answered for you. Then I want you to go to the bottom of the web page and go to the pay plan. Okay, look at that. 7 ways we get paid on the membership at $10 a month. Go to the bottom of the pay plan tab and watch this YouTube video. It's by far the best. It explains how we get paid. And guys, when you get 7 pay, that's pretty damn good, okay? So anyway, let's just end it like this. Joincory.com. All right, that's the business card I made at Vistaprint. They're about $25 for a box. I got joincory.com from GoDaddy. Guys, I'm a storyteller. I'm going to tell you exactly what I do, and I want you to copy it. I don't want you to guess. Let's just get you doing something that's working, and then you can fine-tune and learn your own style. But right now, mine is working right now. It is just after midnight. All right? The creepy and the crawlies are up. That's me. Okay? And it's nice to have 8 people join me in the last week or so. All right? I'll take that any day. And thank you if you're one of those folks that have pre-enrolled or have joined my little tribe, my little group, okay? All right, joincory.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. And Facebook, too. Just get a hold of me on Facebook in the inbox, okay? All right, let's make 2025 kick some booty. All right? You guys live good and feel good. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you next time.